I am Dr. Bhavadhisaran, Director, Center for Social Development, an NGO from Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu. We are working among the tribal community for developing their agricultural inputs. We have taken the project from Sankalpa, a world known NGO from Ohio University, Columbus. We are working among the tribal community, especially the women folk of the community in agricultural development. Now I will going to explain you about the activities which we are taken up for the development of the tribal community. Travel to reach the tribal community and you see the houses of tribal settlement in Pechuparai village. Now, this is the inaugural function, which is basically a training program being conducted for the tribal women with the help of Sankalpa. The project director explains about the keynote address of the training program. This is the inauguration being conducted by lighting the lamps by the participant scientists. This is Dr. Harry J. Prakash explaining about the inaugural of the session and being continued by the project director Dr. Bhavadhisaran. Now you are seeing Dr. Jane Sujata, who is the scientist in KVK of Pechuparai, which is the state government organization. She explains to the audience about the tapioca cultivation in all aspects, how the tapioca is being cultivated in the scene. Now the introduction of Dr. Suresh, he is also again a scientist working in the same department KVK of Pechuparai. He has taken the subject regarding the plantation of banana and its cultivation. So all these scientists explains about the land reclamation, and this is as what you are seeing the audience. We have selected tribal women for this program. Now Dr. Suresh is explaining about the method of cultivation, is earths and buds, how to prepare the land reclamation, then is plantation, everything. This is the Thanksgiving ceremony by the project coordinator, Mr. Arul Manoharan. In his session, he explained about the importance of this program and he invites everybody to take this as a very good opportunity. Now you are seeing that tribal women are preparing the land for the cultivation of the tapioca, which has been cut into sizes. Then this tapioca has been dipped into the solution of very mild solution of carbonium solution for about 20 minutes. Then after the dipping of it in the chemical, then this has been planted by the tribal by at least 1 to 1.5 inches depth of the soil, and it has been get covered like this. This is the session of preparing value added products. For that also they have conducted a small meeting which is inside the tribal community. Now the project director explains about the importance of value addition of tapioca and banana. So all the participants has actually participated in the program of preparing various types of products out of tapioca and banana. The project advisor, Mr. Baby Leela Boy, is explaining about the income generation, especially the social aspects of the project and what the income generation has linked with their economic development as well as the social concerns. So she explains the participants about the importance of this program by way of doing, getting more money and developing their social status in the life. Now the master, the food preparation master explains about the different products being fabricated by using tapioca. Now he gives training to the participants. Now the girls, the tribal women are making chips out of the tapioca, and this is being fried in oil and containers. Now this girl gives the feedback. This girl's name is Ambika. Mrs. Ambika. She is again, this girl is Brindu. She is expert in, or we are training her in the cultivation of tapioca. He expressed thanks for giving such type of training so that they can earn more in their land which has been totally unutilized before the intervention of this project. Through CSDC explains her gratitude to Sankalpa for being given this opportunity for them too. Now this is Vijaya Rani, again one more tribal woman. She is also explained how she got benefits.